Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome, my name is Jasmine. I'm so glad you guys are here. Today we're gonna be going over spoilers already. I feel like this month they're taking longer for us to see full box reveal, but I'm always in the lookout looking for any boxes, and so far I have 2 that are full box. There's 3 that are missing an item, but I'm still gonna show them to you guys. So guys, you have an idea exactly what's coming and different variations for the base box. I don't have anything yet for the premium box, but also on this video I'm gonna talk about future spoilers. You know, those surveys that maybe some of you have received, you get them as an email. You get them in an email. You have to be very quick, because if not, you will you know what, you missed out on this survey. So much information. I would just want to go ahead and share that with you guys. So let's go ahead and start with the first variation. The first variation is number 24. This was interesting because on Instagram somebody shared this information with me, the card, and actually all the information. That's how we know it's variation number 24. This was a charmer that received her Boxy Lux pretty late, and instead of her receiving the card, the insert card from the month of September, she received the one for October. So it's not a box that somebody received, it's just an insert card that someone received, and it said number 24. So this is the one for Dose of Color. So if you selected that concealer, which that's me, I selected that concealer. That's included in that variation. It's interesting because once again we're going to be seeing sponge gel. This one I got from FabFitFun, but what I love is that every time from different boxes I get different scents. I get to try a different one, and the one shown in the picture is Cherry Tonka Musk. The color is very similar to this one. This one is Sugar Dahlia, and I love how this one smells. Then we have Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip, and as you know, there's 3 different lip shades coming, so we don't know which shade is going to be for this variation. Another thing that is there are some Luxie brushes, and that this set is like a periwinkle color, like a soft different type of blue, and this set brings 5, and it brings like a little purse or pouch to put your brushes in there, so I love that. It's a Ciate London palette. As you know, this is a palette that we got for the month of a few months back, but it was for the premium box, and I really like this one. This one is the Editor palette New England from Ciate London, and I love the packaging. I love this palette, but you know what's sad? I haven't been able to play with this as much because of the other 2 palettes we received, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I want to play with some of these colors a little bit more. I love the shades here. This was for premium, so this is going to be now for the month of October, but on the base box. So hopefully if you have the same account and you receive this in your premium box, then you shouldn't be getting this palette in for this month. So that's variation number 24, and as you know, the theme for this month is candy shop. Is very interesting, very different. I love that it has a candy around, but it's a little spooky there too on that card. So now that we have the first variation, that is a complete variation, let's go ahead and move on to another one that was just released recently. This was an unboxing, and this person shared interesting products here. So if you selected the Farsali, this is the Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum, and this is the box. I selected this on my add-ons because, like I mentioned, I didn't know which one to select for as my choice. I wanted the Dose of Colors, I also wanted this, I also wanted the Murad, so it was hard which one, but I like that this one is a hydrating serum. It has the low molecular plus the high molecular there, so you're getting all the best hyaluronic acid to hydrate your skin. So it's going to hydrate and going to replenish, and plus it has pro vitamin B5. So I love how this is very so different from the Farsali products. And look at the texture here from this cream. It is so high, it is like water on your skin, and it just sucks in right in, so it does feel like it's really hydrating your skin. So if you selected that, then this is going to be could be your box. In addition to this product, to this box, we have Frank Body. This is the Glow Mask. We also have the Pretty Vulgar. I love that brand. This is that palette. So instead of getting this palette, you're going to be getting the Pretty Vulgar, which is a blush palette. And also from Ace Beauty, there is a duo set, and this is the lip liner duo. It's gonna, one of the shades is Be Peachy, and the other one is So Gorgeous. They're very, very pretty. and this is from Ace Beauty. And last for this variation is Grown Alchemist, and this is the matte balancing moisturizer. So I got this brand, Grown Alchemist, but this one is a Hydra Repair Day Cream. I love that it feels really hydrating, but you know what I love about this? Throughout the day for many hours, as I apply my skincare early in the morning, my face does not feel greasy at all. I love this on its own. This has Camellia, Geranium Blossom. It smells pretty nice, but then it just goes away. The packaging threw me off. It takes me back years ago when things used to come like this, but the product is really, really good. This is very pricey. I got this from FabFitFun and I wanted to try it out, and I'm really impressed with this. I used it in the morning, and at night I use a different type of moisturizer. Since we keep getting moisturizer, I like to play with them and see when they work best during the day, and trying them out is how you know if your skin really is loving it. And even though I have oily skin, I am loving this one. And this one is a Hydra Repair Day Cream. The one in the picture is a matte, so even I think for people that have oily skin, it's going to make sure that your skin looks matte. It doesn't have that glow, but even with that, I am loving that moisturizer. So I'm happy to see that in the box. I am very impressed with this brand, and as you know guys, this is very pricey product. So this is the second variation. The other ones I'm gonna show them just a picture so you guys could see it, but you guys gonna see that it's just including just a few products there, missing one item, so it's not really a full box reveal. One I did share with you guys recently on a previous video, and that was provided by Michaela, and I love her videos on TikTok and even on Instagram, and she's the one who did this unboxing. Really, it was before October. I don't know if you guys count that as a full variation, because she did receive 5 products, but one of those was duplicate, so you know there's a product they're missing once we start receiving our boxes. So now that we see exactly what is coming for the month of October, at least we have an idea. We have a few boxes so far to go by. Sadly, we don't have a premium box yet. I'm excited to see what's coming for the premium box. But guys, I want to talk, and that's what I want to make this video too long, because there's so many great products that I've seen, name brands that I've never heard of, but I'm interested to try, and other ones that are excited if it does come in the box. So let's go ahead and get started now with all those possible spoilers that we might expect or receive. So as you know, these are surveys that I want to edit real quick because we have some new information for November. So far we have the choice brands for the base box, and here they are: Benefit Cosmetics, Milk Makeup, and Jouer. And it says that it's going to be worth up to $225. It's going to be the value for the November base box. Surveys that charmers receive in their email, and you have an opportunity to share exactly what you guys think. So the first product is, it says, which product would you prefer to receive in the future box, A, B, or C? And it has, the first product is Huda Pastel Eyeshadow Palette, and it says it comes in 3 colors and the price is $29. Guys, I would love to get a Huda Beauty palette. I'm still waiting on that. I hope we get them. So that was letter A. Letter B was KVD Beacon Beauty Gauche Mascara, or G Bosch Mascara. That one retails for $24. And the other one is a Farsali product. Ask which product would you prefer to receive in a future box, and this one has Philosophy, the Micro Delivery Dream Peel. Wow, a peel, and it costs $60. And I believe this brand we have not seen in Boxycharm. But then we have the M Green Grass Hybrid Oil that retails for $45. We have seen that brand before. I think it was in Boxylux. Questionnaire there was, or the other 4 options were Elemis Peptide 4 Plumping Pillow Facial. That's interesting. It says a pillow facial. Peptide 4, I love anything with peptides. And Elemis has been a brand we have seen that was introduced the first time, at least to me, through Boxycharm, and I really love their products. This one retails for $65, so this one should be some type of cream that Pillow facial must be for nighttime, and I love that it has peptide. The other product is Smashbox Cosmetics Original Primer. This one retails for $37, and that is a favorite primer for a lot of Smashbox Cosmetics Vitamin Primer. It's called Vitamin Glow. It retails for $39. That one sounds interesting. And then the other one is Smashbox Cosmetic Oil and Shine Control. So basically they're telling us which primer will you pick from Smashbox, the original, the one that has vitamin, or the oil and shine control. Then moving on, we have two other questions there, or two other products. This one is called Ila Masqua eyeshadow palette. Never heard of that name brand, but the shades, they look really pretty. This palette retails for $50, and then they have the Smashbox Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder. I've never seen really this setting powder before. I must have missed it. It retails for $39, and what I like about these type of powder, we don't see it as often in the boxes. We don't see it constantly in the boxes like we do maybe with moisturizer. So this will be interesting to get, but the eyeshadow palette might be something interesting too. So let's see what we see in the future. But have you noticed we've been seeing a lot of those questions, or especially from Smashbox. Then the next two options are once again Elemis. This is called Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. They didn't think they were gonna go together. AHA usually is an exfoliating, sometimes it works mostly as a toner, at least in my case, but this one is a cleansing one. It's from Elemis. I love that. And AHA, but it says butter, so maybe it's gonna feel more like a balm. I don't know what you guys think. Have you guys heard of that before? But I love anything with AHAs. And this one retails for $38. Then we have the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector that retails for $39. I have three products that I've never heard of these brands. This one is Aceology Cheeky Bud Mask Trio. I don't know where does this mask go. It threw me off with a Cheeky Butt Mask Trio or Amina Skincare Lip Mask. This one retails for $30. Then we have Rael Beauty. This is a vitamin C sheet mask, and it brings a 5-pack, but it's interesting that the price is $15. So do you select, if you guys get the survey, do you guys go more on the price if you don't know, if you never heard of the brand? Or you're gonna go more on what you really want to include more on your routines? Then the other one, guys, this is so cute. We have the Kvd Foundation Brush. So that one retails for $34. And then we have Beauty Bakery Beauty Sponges. How cute are these sponges? They cost $34. I don't know if I will get this. If I was Boxycharm, I will ask now, but I will bring this during the Easter season because they are so cute. That will be perfect for the spring. It's Nails Ink Crystal Gloss for $24. So that has to be a product for the nails. Tower 28 SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray. Interesting, a facial spray. Then we have Dew of the Gods Froze Body Scrub. That sounds interesting. The packaging is very pretty, very bright. That one retails for $22. OMG, listen to this. Rose and Quartz hair mask is 8 ounce, $39. Just with that alone, it sounds so rich, so luxurious for your hair. And then we have Eloise. Yes, guys, we're getting Eloise back. It's called Eloise Beauty, the Rose Gold Teardrop Brush. That is a cute brush too. So out of those four, that will be hard to choose between those four. So guys, we just have a few more. Just stick around, we have a few more. So this one I'm excited for. This is Fenty Beauty Pro Filter, the Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. Retails for $35. Is that how much I paid? I thought it was a little bit more. Now I don't remember. I love this foundation. I think if it comes in the box, it will be a choice item from what we have seen so far. Then we have the Kosas mascara. As you know, that was a mystery, and certain charmers received this to test it out, to try it out. So maybe if you already have it, you might not even select that, or maybe you would so other people could try it out. But I love that brand too. We're starting to see more from this brand coming to Boxycharm. $30 for a cleanser, that's crazy. It must do wonders for your skin, and that's what I look for. So Sunday Riley. Wow, I'm just impressed how many items we keep getting from Sunday Riley, from Boxycharm. Oh, this is a different one. This is a, how excited would you be to receive a Latte 2 palette from Dominique Cosmetics? I love this palette. Look at this packaging. It's called Latte 2. Look how big these pans are. What you guys would be very excited, neutral, unexcited? Let me know in the comment section you will be excited. Here we see another product, guys. This is how excited would you be to receive a real Centella Leaf Sleeping Mask from Pure Heals USA. This one retails for $55. They have another one. They have the Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask. So that makes it interesting because they have real Centella Leaf, which is good. And we haven't seen this brand in a while. This is the Truffle Therapy, and this one is the Cleansing Oil. Retails for $32. This is from Skin & Company, and it looks really, really big. As this concludes this video, I wanted to bring all those future spoilers. Some of those we might see in the box. Based on what we've been seeing in those surveys, we usually see them later on in months, later on. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.